Once upon a time in a dreamy park, a little bit of magic started to float away. But, puppy, chasing a glowing balloon is the best game ever. Can you catch it? Going! A magical mushroom launch. Up, up, and away into the bright blue sky. So close! But that happy giggle is the best prize of all. Just look at them go. Wow! One balloon becomes 100 tiny lights. It's a swirl of wonder and wagging tails. Finally, a gentle landing. A perfect moment for two best friends under the warm, golden sun. But wait, the fun is just beginning. Are you ready to do it all over again?